Hello everyone, we're a bit close today, aren't we? How are we? I hope we're all really well. Today I filmed this makeup look. It's like a pink eye, I've got green glitter going on, we've got beautiful lashes, we've got amazing contour and highlight. I'm just loving it. I'm going out for cocktails, so I thought I'd film the makeup. Please excuse my husky voice. I've had the flu for the last like 3 days and it's been horrific. But yeah, I thought I would create this makeup look, make me feel a little bit better. I definitely do feel better after filming this look and I absolutely love it. The lashes are beautiful. The lips are really nice and glossy. But yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you like it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more makeup videos. But other than that, let's see how I created this look. We need to hide this redness. We need to just make Lou look a little bit more decent. You will have to excuse my husky voice. I mean, is it a bit sexy? I don't think so. I'm not feeling sexy with it. I'm going to first put a bit of setting spray on. This is the Candy Cosmetics Pre-Glow Up Mist, and it's in like the pinky colour. It's beautiful. I'm just gonna let's take a primer. So for my T-zone I'm going to take the Avant primer. I've used this before, absolutely love it. Just take that. I don't know why I've decided to go out for drinks on the most windiest day of the year. Just going for like casual drinks, cocktails tonight. I need to let my hair down. Had a bit of a rubbish week, so I need to let my hair down, but God knows why I thought today would be a good day, because it's absolutely chucking it down and blowing a gale. But that's cool, we'll go with it. And then I'm going to take my Bright Glow CC cream by the Body Shop and I'm going to put that on my cheeks to give me that little bit of glow on the cheeks. Foundation, I'm going to use the one I always use, my go-to. I absolutely love it, in the colour Cool Sand. This is the PS My Perfect Colour Double Coverage Matte Foundation. This is by Primark. It's beautiful. I absolutely love this. I swear by it. I recommend it to everyone just because I absolutely love it. Mine, as I said, is in the colour Cool Sand. Okay, I'm just going to dab excess just over my eyes, but only the tiniest bit because I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. Let's go on to brows. So I'm going to use my go-to, all these products are like my go-to products. They're ones I use every single day that I absolutely love. So I'm going to use my Benefit Precisely My Brow in number 3. I never do my brows too like drawn on. I always like them quite natural. Mainly because that's just my personal preference. And then I just take the spoolie on the end again and just brush that product to make sure that it's not, there's no like bits that are darker in some places than the other, and then it always means you can go back and draw any bits that you might need to. And then just to set them all in place, I use Gimme Brow. This is in number 3 as well, same colour, but I just think it's a really great setter for the brow, so I just run that through. And then I will just take some concealer in a minute and carve them out so they're a little bit more chiseled. For eyeshadow, I'm going to do my eyeshadow next. I'll take this shade I think to start with. This is the Kiko Sparkling Holidays 02 eyeshadow. This is an old eyeshadow, but I know they still do this shade, just it's called a different name. So if you just ask for it in the shop, it's got like a pink metallic colour. I'm not sure what eyeshadow I'm going to go for, but I know there's a certain glitter that I really want to use. So I'm just going to take that in the crease. So then I'm going to take my Kiko Long Lasting Wet and Dry Use eyeshadow. This is beautiful. This is number 200. It's like a mauvey colour. I absolutely love this. So I'm going to take this over the top, put it on the lid and in the crease as well. Just a really lovely shade. I'm going to take Sled No One Other. This was from my Too Faced Gingerbread palette. this is a little bit of a crease colour. Nothing too much, but it's got like a grey tint to it. And then for the outer corner, I'm going to take That's My Jam, which is that purple, and I'm going to take it on my finger and pack it on and then blend it. So we've got a bit of purple in there, but not too much. Actually, it's really nice if you blend it just with your finger. Too Faced eyeshadows are so nice. Beautiful, I think. So I'm just going to take that and then I'm just going to blend it, and you can like build it up if you want to, but I quite like it. I'm then going to take like a bluey, purpley glitter over the top. So I'm going to take Tinseltown, which is this one here, which, let me swatch it for you. So it's beautifully, like, got loads of different colours running through it. So I'm going to take that one to start with, over that top, just to give me a nice little subtle colour. Like there. And then I'm going to take a tiny bit of Drink Up Grinches, which is like a little bit of a tea leaf. I'm just going to take that over the top. And then just to add a little bit of... Let's take some concealer. I'm going to take my Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite. This is in the shade C1. It's like one of the lightest shades they do. But I just thought this looks absolutely beautiful, so I'm just going to do that, and then I'm going to wing it up. I'm going to really gently work that under the eye, just by dabbing it in, and then really just sit and work it in. And then just take that wing up. And if you're not very good at wing liner like me, this is your go-to. Just take it like that, like I've just done, and it looks like you've done a wing eyeshadow, but you haven't. You've just literally carved some concealer over the top of it. Literally, that's mine. Okay, that's the concealer, and then I just tap the excess, like where I need it. I don't usually take tons of concealer. So, let's add some bronzer. I'm going to take my Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. This is in number 6 Cool Dark, and as I said, it's a cool colour, so it's perfect for contour. And I'm just going to take it down like this, just as a really natural contour. It's just quite a nice base. I'm going to take my Revolution Baking White Powder under the eye, and I'm just going to put it a bit like that and then dust it off in a second. And this is for under eyes, just to sort of give me a bit of brightening. And then I just take it on my really oily areas, so there and on my chin. And then all over the face, I take the same powder that I use all the time, which is the Body Shop matte powder. This is beautiful. Absolutely love this powder. And I just set the whole face like that, and I dab over my eyes with this as well. So now that we've done that, I'm going to go in with bronzer. So for my overall face bronzer, I'm going to use my Warm Honey, which is by Ikon. And I'm just going to take that on my forehead to start with, just to warm up my face the littlest bit. And then on those cheekbones. And then I just want to take a bit of a darker contour on my cheekbones to really chisel them out. So I'm going to take Hoola. I need to get another Hoola, but I'm just going to take it with the brush that it comes with, because I really like the brush. I'm just going to work it along those hollows like that, just to give me a perfect chiseled cheekbone look. I want to take a bit of blush, so I'm going to take more of a pinky blush. I'm going to take Rocketeur by Benefit, which is quite dark, but I just feel like it would go with this look because I've got purple on the eye. So I'm just going to blend that all over, and what I usually do is I take it over like that, over my nose, just to give me a flushed look. I'm going to do lashes, and then I'm going to come back to highlight and we can tie it all together. Actually, I think I'll just set the face with some makeup setting spray before I add my lashes. Lashes I'm using today are beautiful. They're the Fleur de Force Fully Fleur lashes. I couldn't think what they were called. They're like this. They're beautiful. They're sort of triangular. They're really natural, but I just thought they were really lovely. For my lashes, usually what I do is I curl my lashes first of all on the outer corner. So I just stick my eyelash curlers just so they flick up a little bit. And then usually what I do is I put a little bit of mascara on them and a little bit of eyeliner. So my mascara I'm going to use is Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. It's my go-to mascara. I absolutely love it. So I just do this just so that my lashes look a little bit dark and not too, so that they sort of merge into the fake ones. And usually I put a little bit of eyeliner on as well, so I'm going to do that today. Just a little bit. This is the Sleek Fierce Felt Liner. Okay, and then I'm just going to add the lashes on, and then I will be right back. Okay, lashes are on. I love them. They're not too much, but they still look really, really cute. So I'm going to take some glittery bronzer. This is the Baked bronzer by The Body Shop. It's just got shimmer in it. And I think because we've got shimmer on the eyes, we need to add a bit of shimmer on the face. So I literally just take this on a huge brush and just dust it everywhere, just to give me that little bit of sparkle. So we need to do a highlight. So I'm going to use Cookie by Benefit. It's beautiful, this highlight. I'm going to take it really subtly actually on a fan brush, I think, rather than taking it on a big padded brush, just because I want that more subtle highlight. Oh, I just love this. I think it's so nice. We just work it into the skin. It's almost like a wet look, like it looks wet. Beautiful, I love it. Just take a tiny bit up there, and then a little bit down the nose, and a little bit on the Cupid's bow. And then I'll just take a little bit on in a corner, those eyes, and then just above as well, just to give me that brow highlight. For the under eye, I'm going to take a little bit of the purple that we used on a little tiny detail brush to start with. So that's my jam. I'm going to take a bit of the purple just underneath, just for a bit of a colour. And then I'm going to smoke it out with a bit more of the metallic-y Kiko water eyeshadow. I'll just blend it out so it's more fluffy. Just like that. And it's just going to add some metallic underneath my eye as well. So I'm going to line my bottom line with, we're going to use a dark eyeliner. I'm going to use the Kiko Kohl eyeliner in black. And we're just going to line the top and the bottom waterline like that. Just give me a little bit of colour, and then I'm just going to take a smudger and just smudge that black. Okay, and then for mascara, again we're going to use Bad Gal Bang. Where's she gone? Oh, she's there. What am I doing? I'm going to take a bit of that. Okay, let me go and sort out my hair, and then we'll come and finish with the lips. Oh my god, it's so windy. Right, I've done my hair, just sort of put it up in a little thing and put some earrings in. So let's just finish my lips off. So I'm going to take a nude lip liner by the Body Shop and just not going to overline them, just it will just help the lipstick just nude, just to give me a bit of colour. And then I'm going to take a Body Shop lipstick as well. This is in the shade 005. Love this shade. And then I'm just going to finish off with a bit of gloss. This is Ikon 3D gloss in 19. It's beautiful, this. Gloss just makes my lips look a little bit bigger. I am just going to add a bit more of the glittery bronze just to my cheeky bits here. Just a little bit. I'm going to get a little tiny brush. What should I get? Probably this one actually. It's not very tiny, but maybe the pack on today because I don't want it to separate. Okay, there we go. That is the finished makeup look. I hope you like it. I think it's really cute. Like, we've got a bit of purple, we've got a bit of glitter going on. I really like it. So I'm going to go out now. I'm going to go for cocktails. I'm going to get blown away by the wind probably. Just flip my hair. How bad is that? So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you give me a like and subscribe. And I'll see you all again next week for another video. Thank you so much. See you later. Bye. Thank you.